Add lights. List-based commissioning. Philips MasterConnect tutorial video. Lights with an integrated MC node can be added using a list overview. Open the group, tap plus, and select Lights to start discovering all the MC nodes that are in close reach for commissioning. Please wait 10 seconds. If not selected already, click on the Discovered tab. A list of all the lights with wireless components sorted by signal strength is shown. To identify a luminaire in the app, click on the device name. The corresponding luminaire will blink several times. Press Add for all those lights that need to be added to the group. You can also add multiple devices at the same time. When multiple devices are added simultaneously, a loading bar pops up. Please wait until all devices in the queue have been added. Press Finish Adding to finalize. The list of lights added will appear on the group screen. To test if they are working correctly, turn the luminaires off and on. You have successfully completed the lights commissioning.
Philips.